All right, so we wiggled this door out. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna lean it up against those two support beams right there. We're gonna back the truck up here. We'll get it on top of it. This video is mainly for my chiropractor. We can take that part out. But here you go, Dr. West. Lift with your legs. Stand it up. We can take the grunts out too. Boom, just like that. Nice. And what we'll do, we'll get our angle right. That looks good. Then we lift with our legs one more time. We'll lean it up. Back the old taco up here. Thank you, Coach Johnson, for all of that powerlifting advice back in the day. Perfect. So all I did there was just inch it forward. Now it's just leaning on top of my truck with this lip right here, able to catch on that rack. So now what we're gonna do is use it as a pendulum, swing this up, push it over. If you couldn't see me, swing this up and push it over. Hopefully it all works out. We got it now, man.